India are playing the West Indies at the WACA on Holy Day, and while we here at the Queen would like to go out on a limb and say India are winning this one as well. But we need something to talk about, don't we? So well, here are some things and people to look out for in that Friday fixture. Who won't have their eyes out for Virat Kohli? He has been in the middle of yet another controversy after mouthing off to a journalist, which led to him being reported to the BCCI and the ICC as well. Will all this be on the back of Kohli's mind as he goes out to bat tomorrow?
I'm very honest about it. I do not know what's happened, but having said that, moving forward in tomorrow's game, I think we'll give the best effort and see how it goes.
If the Windies are playing, then of course the focus will only be on one man in their team. Chris Gayle swept Canberra with the Gale Storm, scoring the World Cup's first ever double century in the match against Zimbabwe. But worry not India, consistent is something Gayle is not. A 3 against the Proteas before the 2-1-5 and a 4 against Pakistan in the match after. The Indian bowlers can hope to win this battle against Gayle this time as well.
Be it Chris Gayle, be it AB de Villiers or anybody, I look to get them out of the middle. I mean, once you get them out, then the game's going to clear away.
Moving on then, and the match is on the WACA pitch, known to be one of the quickest and the bounciest in the world. The Indian bowlers managed well here against the UAE with Ashwin picking 4 wickets, but the Windies will be a different ball game.
You still have to use the conditions in your favour. I think it's important that you just hit your good areas. And a good ball is a good ball to any given batsman on any particular day. So.
But coming back to our own, and with one foot already in the quarters, the Indian team still has a few problems to fix, like the constantly and quickly tumbling lower middle order. Dhoni has failed to score much so far. Jadeja has done more with the ball than his bat, and Rohit Sharma up the order as well is looking for a big day out.
They have a pretty good batting lineup and some quality players. We've planned for them and we're just looking to execute our plans tomorrow.